As future engineers, you know that technical skills are just the beginning. For just $32, you can invest in your complete professional development by joining IEEE, the world's largest technical professional organization and your professional home. With an IEEE membership, you're not just gaining access to technical resources, you're stepping into a world of leadership opportunities, hands-on workshops, and a global network of professionals who are shaping the future of technology. Imagine enhancing your resume with leadership roles in an IEEE student branch, where you can develop crucial skills that go beyond the classroom. This is your chance to not just learn, but to lead. By putting a little skin in the game now, you're setting yourself up as a well-rounded, highly connected professional who's ready to tackle the challenges of the engineering world head-on. Leadership training, mentorship, and cutting-edge knowledge are just a membership away. So, invest in yourself by joining IEEE as your professional home. And let's begin your storied career and build your future engineering journey together with your IEEE membership.